All right, welcome everybody. This is Mike Klingler, and I wanted to show you how to do a withdraw. My account, actually, I just did a big reinvest, so I don't have anything to withdraw from mine. I'm still building it up. So I'm using somebody else's account to do this illustrative example. Just let me go here into lending and show you a step that I just took before I recorded this, and then I thought, why don't I go ahead and record this, show you how to do withdraw. So from DavorCoin. So over here, I had in my lending wallet, or at least this account did, over $10,000. It was about 11,000. And I just clicked right here, this little arrow, and it moved over into the DAV wallet. So that's the first step. So you need to have something in your lending wallet. You hit this, and it moves over to your DAV wallet. Now, before I continue with how to withdraw this, I want to mention I don't recommend, particularly early in the process, that you withdraw all of your funds, because then you're not going to get the compounding effect. I talked about strategy in other videos. At the very least, you should do like 50-50. Like if you need to take out funds, take out 50% and then reinvest or re-lend the other 50%. So you can start getting multiple compounding lends going. Then it really builds up. Then you're really leveraging this thing. Or you could do like 80-20, like 80% lend, take out 20% per day, something like that. Now I just relended, did another lend with 100% of mine in my account. I showed that in another video. I just did a lend of like, I think it was 27,000 or something like that, which was everything that I had generated from commissions and from lends. But anyway, I wanted to show you for illustrative purposes how to do withdrawal. So I'm using this other account. Just wanted to mention that there's a lot more strategy behind it, and taking all of your commissions out right away and not doing, at least taking a percentage of it to lend it back, can really, really cut out a lot of compounding that you can get going, and really take away what you can earn from all this. Okay, so I again had about 11,000 in here, and I clicked this little button right here, and it moved over into my DAV wallet. That's the first step to withdraw. Then you go to exchange, and you got to exchange the DAV for Bitcoin. So right now, it's saying that the last DAV traded at 119. One DAV equals 0.00844 Bitcoin. So let me see here. How much I'm looking for? How much I have? So I have 96.26 over here in the upper left. You see how much DAV I have right here. Look at my cursor in the upper left. I have 96.263 in this account. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put, and then I need to click sell because I'm selling right now. I'm withdrawing. So you click sell, and then you enter the amount of DAV you want to sell, and then it's going to put the last price that Bitcoin sold for. I'm going to go ahead and go for that. Now, if it doesn't sell quickly enough, then I might want to change that price, cancel that order and do it. But I'm going to go ahead and see if it goes through. So I'm going to hit sell DAV. And then in a moment, now over here it says 0 DAV. So it actually looks like it's sold already. Let me hit refresh just to make sure. So it looks, yeah, sometimes it shows up in open orders, like if it's not selling really quickly, but it looks like it's sold. It's like a really strong market right now. So it sold immediately at that price, it looks like. And, oh wait, let me see, I got something blocking it because I'm doing this webinar. Okay, so yeah, I have 0.8. So as far as I understand, yeah, that would make sense. I have 0.8 BTC right here. So 0 DAV, I just sold the DAV, and it exchanged it for 0.80 BTC. So there you have it. And now if I want to, I can just send that out to any wallet that I want. In fact, if I just go to wallet and I click on, if I want to send it out, I click on Bitcoin, and it shows wallet balance 0.801793 Bitcoin. And then I can click withdraw. And then you just send this to your wallet address you're sending to. Now, a lot of people recommend not to use Coinbase or GDAX because they feel like Coinbase or GDAX could know that you're sending it from one of these lending programs, and they don't really like these lending programs, or MLMs, I should say. So a lot of people suggest sending it. I've sent it, though, to Coinbase or GDAX, no problem. I just want you to know that some people say not to. I often send it now to my blockchain wallet. You can go to blockchain search Google for blockchain wallet and use their wallet, and you could send it there and then send it to Coinbase or wherever, or Gemini or whatever exchange you use. But wherever you want to send it to, this is the address that you would put and the amount you want to send, and of course your password, and then you send it off. If you're in our support groups, just go there, and if you need additional help, if you're tech challenged or what have you on finishing this process, just go there and ask a question and somebody can help you. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how you turn what you have in your lending wallet in DavorCoin into DAV, and then exchange that into Bitcoin, and then can send it off to whatever wallet, external wallet you want. So you can turn it into fiat currency or just hang on to the Bitcoin elsewhere.